to grow something from $100 to $600, you had to have been taking some really significant risk, right? So you probably were taking position sizes that were half of your account, right? Or let's say 25% of your account, or maybe even your whole account is in a singular position. And so this is just not the way to be sustainable, right? And so really where Josh I think where the problem stems from is, I know it's not, this is truthful advice, and that's what Trader Hotline is all about. It's I'm going to give it to you truth, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. And the truth is that trading with $100 is just really going to put you behind the, sort of behind the, offsides. You're going to have to take really big risk, not in terms of dollar amounts, because it may seem like, oh, I'm only taking, $100 worth of risk on this trade, but that $100 is 100% of your account. And so that is just going to be really hard, all right, to be able to build that, and you're building habits of taking really large risk in terms of your account size. And if you get wrong one time, right, you would wrong one time and your account's blown. So what I would say, all right, and my personal advice to you, Josh, is don't keep putting in $100. Just stop doing that. I don't think it's going to be long-term a success for you. I don't think you're going to be able to keep putting in $100 and turn that into something that's really big without taking and learning bad habits, which is putting in your whole account to take a trade. I think I'd rather see you paper trade, learn, all right, be disciplined, learn your technicals, learn your setups, continue to understand how to trade and find your system. And then, whatever you do on the side, whatever job you have, right, I would save up while you're learning during that period, and then say, all right, I've paper traded successfully for 3 to 6 months. I'm really understanding what I'm doing. I've saved up, let's say, some money that I'm willing to now put into a trading account, and I can put in, I would say, $1,000 would be where I'd want you to start. Then you can take $100 position sizes, and that's now only 10% of your trading account. So if you're wrong a few times, you're all right. And you're still only risking $100, right? It's the same risk, but at least you're not just opening and blowing up and opening and blowing up accounts. Also, this is not something that I've done personally, but I do believe that maybe if you don't, if you want to trade the QQQ, which is basically the NASDAQ futures, prop firms could be a good place for you to check out, right? And sort of use, let's say, a prop firm account that may cost you $100, but you get the buying power of a larger buying power to not be blowing up your account right away. So all in all, Josh, the advice that I have for you is don't keep putting in these $100. I would personally, I would probably blow up a $100 account, Josh, to be quite honest. Like, you have to put your whole,
save it up.
Yeah, absolutely. Better off save your money, learn, paper trade, and then once you have a really good system in place, then I would you want to be well capitalized. And $100, you're probably taking really shitty QQQ options that are way far out of the money, which are just really hard to appreciate, right? And it's just you're starting in a really tough position. So that would be my advice to you, Josh.
Hey, you're absolutely right about the position size and how much I'm taking when I take a trade.
Right.
Sometimes I can get a nice little 30-cent contract, $30 contract.
Yep.
And it, goes to $1. Like, I know that you understand the romance of the idea that I'm trying to do. Like,
yep,
it's
totally
stupid, and it's not the best way to do it, but
it's what we're sold, man. That's what you're sold. You're sold that online, that you can turn $100 into whatever, and it's just going to be really difficult. So that's where I'm going to leave it there, Josh. I hope that helped, and feel free to reach out to me if you want to continue to, ask questions. Feel free to reach out to my Instagram or Discord, wherever it might be. And so I hope that this was able to at least guide you in a different direction that may help you long term. All right?
Thanks for everything you do, man. You're awesome.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, Josh. Have a good night, man. All right. I mean, for me, $100 account, man, that's really hard. I would blow up $100 account. There's no doubt about it. There ain't no way I'm getting $100 to turn into $1,000. And if I did, I'm putting my whole account in a trade every single time, right? Every single time, it's my whole account, $100 in, I'm all in. If I'm wrong, I'm down 50% of my account. It's just you're really sort of handcuffed in that position. So, if any of you guys out there are in that similar situation, I would say save up your money, right? Do it the right way. Save up, paper trade. Maybe like some people said in the chat, which were good recommendations, prop firm at that time to learn, trading, open up a prop, prop firm account and try to learn that way. But yeah, that was a good question. I think, and the great thing that I love about what we just did is, Josh maybe would have continued to do that, right? And sort of just continue to go down that road. And maybe, a simple call like this tonight could make the difference. And maybe Josh goes on to, paper trade for the next 6 months, really do well, right? Have a proper account. Maybe he tries out props and maybe he becomes a fantastic trader. Who knows? All right. And so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So thanks, Josh, for calling in. If you're still watching, that was awesome. Thanks for being vulnerable, getting on live in front of how many people we got here? 300 people live.